ስንመጣ ትምህርቱ ጋር የሚነገር የምትባለውን ነገር አርግበኝ።
Do what they say.
Do what they say. Do what they say. No.
የሚነገሩክን አድርግ ነው ያልኩት።
የሚነገርህን ነገር አርግ። ለምንድን ነው የሚነገርህን ማታረገው? በኛ
why you are not doing what I told you?
Okay, all right. በቀላሉ do what you're told ትኛለሽ። Do what you're told. አይሻልም?
I mean, do what you're told.
No, do what you are told. Do what you are told. Do again. What you are የሚለውን what you're telling you now. Do what you're told, man. Just shut up and do what you're told. በይው
Do what you're told.
እስኪ የሚነገረኝን አረጋለሁ በይኝ።
I do what
you are ከሆነ I ሲው ምን ይሆናል?
I
No. You are ካልሽኝ I ሲው ምን ትያለሽ?
I am.
ስለዚህ do what you're told ካልሽ I do what
I do what am. I
don't know. No. I do what. Come on, man. Come on. Do what you are told. Do what you are told. I do what? I am told. I do what I'm told. Say it again.
I do what I'm told.
I do what I am told. I do what I'm told.
Yeah, I do what I'm told.
Nice. I don't know. Yeah, well, let's I do what I'm told. I do what I'm told. I do what I'm told.
I do what I'm. What?
What
I do what I'm told.
Nice. እስኪ
I do what I'm told.
እስኪ እኔ ጋር እንምጣና የሚነገር ነገር አርግበኝ።
Do what you are told.
ትክክል ነሽ። በቃ የትም አይሄድም። ያንቺው እኮ ነው። በቃ እኮ do what you're told. Say it.
Do what you're told.
Do what you're told and I do what I'm told. በይው እስኪ
Do what you're told and I do what I'm told.
Nice. እስኪ ያው naturally do what you're told and I do what I'm told. እንደኔ ማለት ትፈልጋለሽ?
Do what you're told and I do what I'm told.
Nice. Do what you're told. Accent ደግሞ ስታመጣ do what you're told.
Do what you're told.
What you're told. What you're told. ሁልሽም ባለሽበት እኮ ብታወሪ እኮ ቆንጆ ነው። ፍጥጥ ብላችሁ አትዩ everybody ዝም ብላችሁ አትዩ። ይሄ ቴሌቪዥን አይደለም። ባላችሁበት ወገኖቼ ባላችሁበት ያላችሁት do what you're told.
Do what you're told.
And I do what I'm told.
And I do what I'm told.
Man, leave me alone, bro. Do what you're told and I do what I'm told.
Man, leave me alone. Do what you're told. Sorry, I cannot.
You got this. Yes, you can, man. I'm here to help you out, man.
Do what you're told and I do what I'm told.
Very good. Nice. Becca, this is perfect. This is perfect. You just have to work on your accent a little bit, but you're good. I do what I'm told.
I do what I'm told.
Very good. Nice. ባላችሁበት መዋክሯት በጣም ጸዴ ነው። I swear to God. እሺ አሁን ስንመለስ አሁን ችግሩ እዚህ ጋር ነው። I do what I'm told ብለሻል። የሚባለውን አረጋለሁ ብለሻል። የሚባለውን አላረግም በይኝ እስኪ።
I don't do what I told.
I don't do what I'm told.
I don't wanna.
I don't do what I'm told. I don't do what I'm told. What I am told, man. Like just I do በሚለው ፈታ I don't do ኮኖ በቃ ሌላ የለውም።
Okay. I don't do what I'm told.
Very good. ይሄን ከመለስሽልኝ ግራመርሽ ቆንጆ ነው። እሱ የሚባለውን አያረግም በይኝ።
እሱ የሚባለውን አያረግም?
አዎ እስኪ ሁላችሁንም ነው የምጠይቀው። ወይ ሁሌ
He don't do what he told. No. What's he told?
This is Dream Abby speaking English. Appropriate you man. What? በስ እሺ አይሰራም በይኝ እስኪ። እሱ አይሰራም በይኝ እስኪ።
አይሰራም? You don't work.
You don't work አትይም። ሲችላ እኮ ነው በቃ ብዙዎቹ ጥቃቅን ነገሮች።
You don't do.
አይወደኝም በይኝ እስኪ። እሱ አይወደኝም በይኝ።
You don't love me.
ይኸውልሽ ካሁን በኋላ ይኸውልሽ ስሚኝ፣ በአንዲት ቃል ነው ማስተካከላት ይችኝ። ዶንት ትያለሽ አይደለ? ሂ ሺ ካልሽ ዳዝንት ነው የምትጠቀሚው። በቃ
he doesn't like me
እንደዛ ነው የምትይው።
he doesn't work
ይህን ይዘሽ ብቻ መሄድሽ ራሱ በቃ ዱ ካልሽ ዱ ዩ ብለሽ የምታወሪበት ቦታ ሁል ጊዜ ሂ ከሆነ ዳዝ ታስገቢያለሽ። በቃ የት ነው የምትሰራው በይኝ።
የት ነው የምትሰራው? where do you work?
good ወንድምህ የት ነው የሚሰራው በይኝ።
ወንድምህ የት ነው የሚሰራው? your brother where do you work? where do he work? sorry I'm sorry like I'm sorry
ንግስት ይኸውልሽ ስሚኝ ስዊት ሃርት ቤቢ ኦኬ ሊሰን ምንም የሚቀየር ነገር የለውም። where do you work ነው አይደለ? do you ብለሻል አይደለ? በዱ ፋንታ ዳዝ ብቻ ማስገባት ነው የሚጠበቅብሽ። እሺ where አትም ብለሽ your brother work በቃ
where does your brother work?
very good where do you work? do you does your brother okay እናት ከየት ነው የምትኖረው በይኝ። ይሄ እናት ጎበዝ where does እያልሽ ቀጥይ። በቃ ምን እሺ ነው
where does your mother live?
exactly በቃ ይኸው ውስጥሽ እኮ ነው ያለው። እዚህ ጋር እየቆምሽ ነው። where does your brother live? very good አባትህ ለምንድን ነው የሚጠጣው በይኝ።
why does your father drink?
በቃ ለቅ ታይ ልውጣ ሲል እንግሊዝኛው አንቺ አትውጣ why does ፈታ ብለሽ በይኛ አትጠራጠሪብኝ። አሁን በቃ መትገብቶሻል። አትጠራጠሪ በይው
why does your father drink?
ችርቻሮ እንግሊዝኛ አያስፈልግም። why does your father drink?
okay why does your father drink?
nice let me say it with your chest. say it with your chest. say it with more confidence. why does your father drink?
why does your father drink?
very good that's good ስማማ እህትህ ለምንድን ነው የምትዋሸው በይ። እንዳትጠራጠሪ ድምፅሽ ላይ የጥርጥር ስሜት መስማት አልፈልግም። አቢ I have a question for you.
okay again
go እህትህ ለምንድን ነው የምትዋሸው በይ። እህትህ ለምንድን ነው የምትዋሸው በይ።
why does your sister lie?
ድምፅሽ ለምንድን ነው የሚጠራጠረው? ትክክል እኮ ነው ግን እህትህ ለምንድን ነው የምትዋሸው ነገር ነው እያልሽኛለሽ። yo man why does your sister lie? like be confident.
why does your
with
sister lie?
በቃ ሌላ የለውም። ኦኬ አንድ ልጨምር። ጥርጣሬ ድምፅ እናጠፋለን።
yep
promise?
I promise.
okay good okay አባትህ ምንድን ነው የሚበላው በይኝ።
what?
ድምፅሽ no man your father is so big ከዛ ምንድን ነው የሚበላው በይኝ።
what your father eat?
ዳዝ አለ እኮ ሁል ጊዜ።
what does your father eat? sorry
nice yeah what does your father eat?
what does your father eat?
very good nice you got a boyfriend?
you got a boyfriend?
no I'm asking you yes or no.
I don't want to answer.
oh you don't want to answer. okay you don't want to answer so you know they're not official. They're not official. Maybe, or she's talking to many guys at the same time. I don't know. Like, this is not a relationship thing, so you can't keep that. Don't worry about it. Okay. I mean, you got a brother? Where does he live?
one brother. Ethiopia.
Where does he live? Huh?
Ethiopia.
He lives in Ethiopia. Where exactly does he live? In Ethiopia?
Bulbula.
Bulbula. Okay, nice. Does he work?
Yeah.
What does he do?
He's working in the
Kabali. He was working in Kabali. Never mind. Who cares about Kabali? Okay, all right, nice. Does he call you?
Yeah.
How often does he call you?
Twice a day.
Good, nice. What does he want to do in the future? You don't know. Never mind. Anyways, ጠይቅሽ ከሷን ዳዚ እያልኩኝ ነው። በቃ ናቹራል ኮንቨርሴሽን ያለው ማለት ነው። ሶ በአንድ እቺ ብቻ ስለ ሴት ሳወራ፣ ስለ ወንድ ሳወራ፣ አንዳንድ ሰዎች ሳወራ ዳዝ ነው የምጠቀመው የሚልሽን ይዘሽ ከወጣሽ ትልቅ ችግርሽን ቀረፍሽ ማለት ነው። አሁን አንቺ you have to brush it up, you know መለስ ብለሽ ትንሽ ጸዳ ማድረግ ያለብሽ ነገሮች አሉ እንጂ you're good. Do you know what your problem is? I think you struggle with prepositions. Prepositions are small words. On, in, at, it, blah blah. You know these small words, they're confusing. ለምሳሌ እኔ እንግሊዝኛ ጎበዝ ነኝ በይኝ።
I'm good on English.
እስኪ በይው
I'm good on English.
No, you see, this is what I'm saying. You don't say I'm good on. Yeah, exactly. I'm doing my job. I'm great. You know, like I know. That's what I'm doing. So every time you don't say good on, you say good at. You don't say good in. What the hell y'all talking about? Good at. Good at. All right.
I'm good at. I'm good at English.
I'm good at English. Yes. I'm good at English.
I'm good at English.
Nice. እስኪ አሁን ደግሞ ትንሽ
I don't know why
ዘንበለሽ መልሽ በቃ ነው መልሽ መጨረሻ ላይ ነው እንግዲህ shut up and do my thing. Everybody ቶሎ እየመለሳችሁልኝ እሺ let's go. Good. እኔ ምንሽም ታያቸው እነሱ
I know no.
መንዳት ጎበዝ ነህ በይ
Are you good at drive?
Huh?
Are you good at drive? Are you good at driving car?
But are you good at driving? But
okay, are you good at driving?
Very good. Are you good at driving? Are you good at driving? Say it again.
Are you good at driving?
Very good. Nice. Mafsal go wasn't it?
Are you good at cooking?
Very good. Nice. Mazaf go wasn't it?
Are you good at writing?
Mazaf mambo go wasn't it?
Are you good at
mambo go wasn't it?
Are you good at reading?
Good. Yes, አልኩሽን ምንድነው ጎበዝ ያለውን ከሆነ ነገር በይኝ እስኪ
How can I say that?
Stuck.
I don't know.
አይዞሽ come on now. You got this.
How you? I don't know.
ምንድነው ያልኩሽ ምንድነው what ትክክል ነሽ ያዥልኝ ዋትን
What are you?
ቤት ግን እዚህ ጋር አሁን ምንድነህ ነው አይደል የምናደርገው ሰው ይሄንን ያልኮንክበት ስለሆነ aren't ታደርጊዋለሽ ማለት ነው
okay what aren't you
good.
Are not good are good
no wait say it again you're doing great say it again what
aren't you are not good at
no good at
okay
that's it what aren't you good at
I have to use my pen and paper.
No,
I'm sorry.
You don't have to write anything. I got you. Yes, you can say it. I got you. I swear to God, you can say it.
What are not good at?
Aren't you? No, እዚህ ጋር ያልነካሻቸው የግራመር አካሎች አሉ ማለት ነው። ቆይ ለምሳሌ እኔ ነው እርሽ ቆይ ናት ያ እኔ ጋር ነው።
I'm here.
Good. ወንድ አይደለህ በይኝ እስኪ ወንድ አይደለህ በይኝ ማለት
you are a boy right or are you a boy whatever
ወንድ የሚባለው man ነው ወንድ የሚባለው
man and girl is woman okay
girl is woman okay ችግር የለውም አሁን ወንድ ነህ በይ
how can I say that
sweetheart, it's very simple. Why are you? I don't want you to doubt yourself. You're doing great. I swear to God. This is baby stuff, so you can't do it. You just asked me, are you a man? Say it again.
Are you a man?
Very good. Negative demotion. Aren't you tinyalish?
Aren't you a man?
Yeah, aren't you a man? Anyways, men ask a big too.
What?
What aren't you good at? What aren't you good at? Bang again.
What aren't you good at?
Very good. What aren't you good at? Oh my God. What aren't you good at? Say it.
What aren't you good at?
Very good. Nice. አሁን አንቺ መስራት ያለብሽ እቺን በደንብ የምትማሪያትን ነገር ጽድት አድርገሽ ልክ እነሱ እንደሚሉት ማድረግ መቻል አለብሽ እንጂ ጋንግም ስታይል አይሆነሽም። በቃ ላይ እዛ በቃ አልቋል። አሁን ጋንግም እንደዛ አይሆንም። You're young. You're trying to blend yourself in, you know? So like mimic the sound. carefully and then work on your problems.
እንግሊዝኛ አለመቻል በዚህ ዓለም ላይ ያላችሁን ኦፖርቹኒቲ በጣም ነው።
ማራኪ እንግሊሽ የሚባላል ሄዳችሁ መጀመሪያ እንግሊዝኛ በደንብ ተማሩ።
ምርጫችሁ ማራኪ እንግሊሽ ነው።
ማራኪ
እንግሊሽ ይላል።
ማራኪ እንግሊሽ
በአንድ ቀን እንግሊዝኛ ነው